case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 2009 Oklahoma Supreme Court case, Miller v. David Grace Inc., tenant Laura Ann Miller sued her landlord, First Choice Management, and a contractor for injuries sustained when she fell from her second-story balcony due to a defectively installed railing. Miller had previously reported the railing's defects to her apartment manager, but no repairs were made. The district court initially granted summary judgment in favor of the landlord and contractor, but the appellate court reversed the judgment for the contractor due to factual disputes. The Oklahoma Supreme Court found that summary judgment was inappropriate for both defendants and established a general duty of care for landlords to maintain leased premises safely. The court reversed the orders granting summary judgment, and further proceedings were necessary to determine the liability of the landlord and contractor for the tenant's injuries.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.